Hi guys, now before I start the video and before you guys ask me if RTG is working, the answer is no. RTG is not working, not yet, because the way the V4 is being planned and engineered does not work. The bootstrap does not work in the regular way as used to be. So RTG is not working, but it will someday, somehow it will work. So don't complain about the icons also, because this is my test build and I don't care much about the icons or the candy in the screen. Or this is a test build, so don't worry about it. So this video is about the actual situation about gaming with Aros and the V4, and that's the video will be about it. So I can start to show you that Doom is working. I think it always worked, but wrong resolution. Quit the game. And this is another issue, because Workbench colors or Workbench Aros, when the colors are not resetting, I don't know why, but well, this is small issues that we need the support from the Aros community, the coders, and of course the team is also working on this. But the team provides hardware, not only software or not operating systems. The team cannot do operating systems, so we need the more cooperation or from the Aros developers to fix these small issues. Okay, this is Doom running. Okay, I will test some VHD load games. Boys, enjoy the ride. Okay, reshoot, you guys already saw it in my last Aros video. Well, I can tell you that Hippo player is working, which is not a bad sign. So, because if the music is playing in the correct timings, that is very, very good. Nice, but what I wanted to show you is the gaming. Let's start here with a game that we all like and love from the Amiga world, and it is Banshee. Where is it? Banshee. We should bubble. How you doing, BC kid? Banshee. So this is Banshee working on Aros on the Vol 4. English, please. The amazing Banshee working with Aros. AGA classic game, one of the best shoot 'em ups made for the Amiga, and a game that we all love. I will show you some more games, and let's hope that this time Aros can be developed in the way that can be used by all users. So let's go. just made a pause to remember you guys that you can enable on the fly the scan lines. Scan lines are now enabled and now disabled. I prefer it this way. So okay, next game. Brian the Lion, the AGA version. Oh no. And of course, Deluxe Galaga. This is also a game that every Amigan loves. Where do I have sounds? Okay.
Get ready.
Get ready. I'm ready. Oh, ready to die. So guys,
Extra, please.
as you can see, it works not that bad
Money.
already.
Money.
Money.
Money. Get ready.
Yes, I'm ready. Okay. So guys, thank you for watching. This video gives you a nice idea how things are going in the development. And yes, the team, the Apollo team, is committed to Aros, and yes, something will continue to happen, so we can make everybody happy. So, bye guys!